Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting custom ringtones on your Android smartphone, like your Google Pixel phone, for example. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. You want to go down and select sound and vibration. And then you want to go to where it says phone ringtone. Go ahead and select that. And then you can add or change the phone ringtones listed in here very easily. So you just can scroll through. You can play around with whatever preferences you like. And if you just double click on any of the sounds, you can then also customize the ringtone sound from there even further. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.